I hope all of you are doing good. All are safe. Myself, Prashali, your maths coach, and I welcome to all of you on the platform of the VAIR. So today I am here with the new set of 20 most important quant question as a TISSNET point of view for TISSNET 2024. So this is your set number 5. I hope you have already watched the all 4 sets because all are going to important questions as the TISSNET point of view. And as always, without wasting time, without anything, we will directly jump towards the questions. So let's start with the questions. Here is your first question on the screen. Let's try to solve it. What are they saying here? If the digit of a two-digit number are interchanged, the number so obtained is greater than the original number by 18. That means there is a two-digit number. If you interchange their digits, then whatever the number after interchanging, that will be greater by 18. Then they are saying that if the sum of the two digits of this number is 8, then find out the 55% of the original number. Now what I know that sum is 8. So which two digits can give me a two-digit number where two-digit sum will be 8? Let's see. Those numbers can be either 1 and 7, 17. 1 plus 7 is 8. Or it can be a 2 and 6. It can be a 3 and 5. And it can be a 4 and 4. Is it? If you interchange their digits, what will it become? Let's see. This one will become 71, 62, 53. This will be 44 as it. And what are they saying that if you interchange, then after interchanging whatever is the number, that will be greater than 18. So greater than 18. So if you find out the difference, this is not equals to 18. Is it, sir? Similarly, if you find out this difference, this is also not equal to 18. This difference is a 0, but this difference will be equals to 18. That means you can say that that number is equals to 35. Then they have asked you what is it? 55% of this original number. So 55% of 35. That means it will be 55 by 100 into 35. 5 sevens are 5 into 20s are 5 fours are 5 into 11s are 77 by 4. How much it will be? 19 fours are 76. That means 19 and 1 means 0.25. So your answer will be 19.25. That is your option number A is the answer. Easier. Now let's jump towards the second question. You can see on the screen. What are they saying in this question? Let's see. Read the question and try to solve it. They have mentioned that Amit sells a computer to Bhanu at a loss of 10%. Who sells it to Charan at profit of 20%? After finding some defect, Charan returned it back to Bhanu but could only recover rupees 4 for every rupees 5. Then he had paid, if Amit had paid 90,000 rupees for the computer, then find the amount received by Charan while returning the computer to Bhanu. That means Amit has bought it at 90,000. Then he sold to Bhanu at 10% loss. Bhanu sold to Charan at 20% profit. But again, Charan returned to Bhanu. But at that time of returning, what he gets? He gets a 4 rupees for every 5 rupees. Is it? Means if his cost price is a 5 rupees, then his selling price will be 4 rupees. That means there is a loss. Loss of what? Loss of 1 rupees. So what is the percent loss? Percent loss will be loss by CP into 100. That means 1 by 5 into 100. So you can say that he has sold at 20% loss. That means Charan has sold to Bhanu at a 20% loss. Then they are saying that what is the amount received by Charan. So let's find out from the Amit itself. Amit received it at 90,000 rupees. Then he sold to Bharat at 10% loss. Bhanu at 10% loss. 10% loss means he will sold at 90% of it. Then this Bhanu is selling at 20% profit. So into 120 by 100. And again this Bhanu to Charan and Charan is again selling at 20% loss. That means into 80 by 100. So what will be the answer now if you solve it? Let's see. This 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's cancel it out. Then can you cancel out anything? This double zero, this double zeros. Okay. Then remaining will be 9 into 90 into 12 into 8. So what will it be? 9 nines are 81, 810 into 12 into 8. 0 as it is, 12 ones are 12, carry is a 1. 12 eights are 96 plus 1 is the 97 into 8. What will be this amount? 0 as it is, 8 twos are 16, carry is a 1. 8 sevens are 56 plus 1 is a 57, carry is a 5. 72 plus 5 will be 77. So this amount will become 77,760. That is your option number C will be the answer. That's it. It was not much difficult, only quite calculative or not even a calculative. That's it. Let's solve for the next question now. I'm showing you the next question on the screen. You can read the question up to that and try to solve and pause the video. You can pause the video and try to solve it. What are they saying this question? 85 liter of mixture of milk and water contain 25 liter milk more than water. There is a total of 85 liter in which something is a milk, someone is a water. As I know what? 25 liter milk is extra. That means if I subtract 25, this remaining will be 60. 60 will be exactly in half of. That means water will be 30 and milk will be 30 plus 25. That means 55. Is it? Means what I did that 25 liter extra जो था अगर वो subtract किया तो remaining 60 will be in half of. So water is a 30, milk is a 30, but milk is a 25 liter more. That means milk is a 55. Then what are they saying here now? 15 liter of water is added to it. Now in this one what I did, 15 liter of water is added. Then what is the ratio of milk to water? Milk will be as it is 55, water will be 45, ratio will be 5 11s are, 5 9s are. So your answer will be 11:9. That's it. Your answer will be option number B. Easier. Now let's go for the next question. What are they saying in this one? Ranveer invested same amount in scheme A and B. Both offer same rate of interest, but A offers at simple interest and B offers at compound interest. A is a SI, B is a CI. After 2 years, Ranveer got 1000 rupees interest for scheme A and 1062 from scheme B. Now what I know that from here it is a 1000 rupees, from here it is a 1062.5. But as I know that SI is same for each year. So 1 year and on the second year. Is it? So what will be the SI? SI for first year will be 500, second year will be 500 and SI remains the same. Then they are saying that what is the sum of rate of interest by the both. So if SI is a 500, as I know that for first year SI is equal to CI. So out of this, on a first year I get a 500 rupees. So on second year how much I will get? 1062.5 minus 500 will be 562.5 rupees. Is it? That means on this 500 I get a 62.5 rupees extra. Getting this point? On this 500, or as I know, CI is what? Interest on interest. So my interest was 500, on which I got a 562.5. That means 62.5 rupees is the extra, which is the interest on a 500. So 500 ka R percent is equals to 62.5. So how much will it be? Double zero cancelled. R will be equals to 5 ones are, 5 twos are, 12.5%. So 12.5% is the rate of interest. But what they have asked you, they are saying that what is the sum of rate of interest offered by both the scheme. Sum of rate of interest. As they said that rate of interest is the same for both. So for SI, it will be 12.5. For CI, it will be 12.5. So sum will be equals to 25%. So your answer will be equals to 25. Answer won't be 12. So this was only the trick here. Up to this, everyone can solve, but this was the answer. I hope it's clear to you. Now let's go for the next question. Now read the question and you can pause the video and try to solve it. On a particular day, a toy seller sold 3 types of toys. Each toy of the 3 varieties cost rupees 200, 150 and 50 rupees respectively. 200, 150 and 50 rupees respectively. Then what are they saying that? Three types of the toys. Okay. If this total sale on that day was a 600, total sale is a 600 and the seller sold at least one toy of each variety. At least one toy. That means here one toy, one toy, one toy. So what will be this price? 200 plus 150 plus 50. That means if he said at least one toy, total sale will be 400 rupees. But as they are saying that total sale is a 600 rupees. Then they are saying that find the maximum number of toys he could have sold if I know that I need a total sale as a 600. At least 400 to hold that. So remaining is what? At least 400. That means up to this I have sold the 3 toys at 400 rupees. Now for the remaining will be how much? 200 rupees. On this 200 rupees, maximum toys, how much I can sell? How many toys can I sell? If I have to sell number of maximum toys, then I must have to sell these toys which has the least price. So least price is a 50 rupees. So how many toys I can sell on a 50 rupees? You can sell a 50, 200 by 50. That means 4 toys. आप 4 toys sell कर सकते हैं 50 rupees के बिना 200 rupees. So these 3 toys plus 4 toys. So you can sell maximum 7 toys in a 600 rupees. Maximum 7. It cannot be more than the 7. So that was the answer. This was the logical. Now let's go for the next question. Now what are they saying in this question? A and B together can do a piece of work in a 20 days. Okay, A plus B required 20 days. A and C can do it in a 15 days and A alone can do it in a 30 days. B and C together work for 10 and then also A also join them. How much time taken to complete the entire work? First find out the total work which is the LCM. LCM is nothing but the total work which will be equal to 60. So you can say that their efficiencies will be what? 60 by 20 means 3, 60 by 15 means 4, 60 by 30 means 2. Where efficiency of A is a 2. If A is equal to 2 and A plus B is equal to 3, that means I can say that of course out of A plus B is equal to 3, A is equal to 2. So B will be equals to 1. A is a 2. Similarly, A plus C is equals to what? 4. In which amount of value of A is a 2. So C will be also equals to 2. So these are their efficiencies. Then what are they saying here? If B and C work together for 10 days. So let's see in 10 days, how much work completed? 10 days completed work will be equals to efficiency of B and C, right? Completed work by B and C. So efficiency of B and C will be B plus C into 10. That means 3 into 10 which will be equals to 30. 30 work has been completed in the 10 days. So what will be the remaining work now? Remaining work will be equals to out of total 60, 30 has been completed. That means 30 work is the remaining. Out of this 30 now A also has joined them. So what will be the efficiency of A plus B plus C? Because now all are working. So efficiency of A plus B plus C will be 2 plus 1 plus 2. That means 5. So number of days will be required is how much? Number of days will be required. Number of days will be equals to work was a 30. Efficiency is a 5. So 6 days. So what will be the total days now? Total days will be equals to this initial 10 and this 6. This 10 days plus this 6 days. So total will be 10 plus 6. That means 16 days will be here. So answer will be option number B. Okay. It was not much difficult, only quite logical, easier question. Let's go for the next question now. Question number 7 is here on the screen. Try to solve it now. What are they saying in this question? A cultural committee of 8 is to be formed from 9 American and 5 Indians. American are 9 and Indians are 5 and I need a committee of 8 members. In how many ways can it be done when the committee consists of at least 3 Indians? Total 8 members I need, but at least 3 Indians means 3 Indians can be there. 4 Indians can be there, 5 Indians can be there, 6 cannot be there because Indians are only 5. That means what is the number of ways? Initially, I will take a 3 Indian. So out of 5, 3 Indians are there. I need a committee of 8 members. So if I took a 3 from India, how much I will take from the American? American will be 5 because total I need a 8. Or you can take a 4 Indians also. This is for Indian, this is for American. Indian, American. If you are taking the 4 Indians, then you must have to take a 4 American because total are 8. And next again you are taking an Indian. Out of 5 Indians if you take, then American will be 9C. Is it? Means what you have taken here? 5 Indians, 3 Indians, at least 3 na? 3 Indians, 4 Indians and 5 Indians. So let's solve it. Now you can solve it easily. How will you solve it? 5 into 4. 5C3 is nothing but a 5C2. So you will expand this term up to the 2 terms. 5 into 4 divided by 2 into 1 into 9C5. That means it is equal to 9C4 also. So you will expand up to the 4 terms because 5 is going to get cancelled. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Plus this one 5C4 will be 5C1, that means 5 into 9C4 will be again same 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5C5 is a 1 into 9C3 9 into 8 into 7 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. Whatever is number, we expand up to that term. So what will be the answer here? You can see 2 ones are 2 twos are 5 twos are 10. Here you can see 4 twos are 8 will get cancelled and 3 twos are 6. So 5 twos are 10 into 9 sevens are 63. 63 ka double will be 126. Plus here what can you get cancelled? 4 twos are 8 will get cancelled. 3 twos are 6. Then 5 twos are 10. 9 sevens are 63. 10 into 63. Plus this one will be what? 3 threes are 2 fours are. Then what will it be? 7 threes are 21. 21 fours are 84. So this sum will be 1260 plus 630 plus 84. How much will it be now? 004 will be 004 will be 4. 8, 3, 11. 11 plus 6, 17 carries a 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 6, 9. And this one will be 1. So your answer will be equals to 1974. Whether it is an option, yes, option number B will be here. I hope you understood it. This was a question of combination. Let's jump for the next question now. This question is really easy. Question on the screen. Quite conceptual question we can say. What are they saying here? If n is a natural number, then 12n square plus 12n. 12n square plus 12n is always divisible by what? If I take a 12n common, it will be n plus 1. That means 12 into n plus 1, where they are saying that n is a natural number. So if you take n is equal to 2, n plus 1 will be 3. That means 2 into 3 will be 6. If I take suppose n is equal to 6, n plus 1 will be 7. 6 sevens are 42. That means you always get the even number. So 12 into even number. So this number will be divisible by what? It will be divisible by 6 only. 6 and 12 both, or the 12 only, or 18 only. 18 is not necessary, but if it is divisible by 12, because it is a multiple of 12. So all number of multiple of 12 will be divisible by 12. If it is divisible by 12, obviously it will be divisible by 6. Because 12 का यहाँ 6 होता है, that means it will be divisible by 6 and 12 both. Because I know that this 12 is divisible by 6 also and by 12 also. So it will, the answer will be option number B, 6 and 12. That's it, conceptual question. Let's go for the next one now. This is your question of clock, which is again easier one. What are they saying here? At what time between 2 and 3 o'clock will the hands of clock be together? Hands of clock will be together means what? Theta is equal to 0 degree. We have a formula, theta is equal to 30h minus 11 by 2 m. If theta is 0, so you can say that 30h is equals to 11 by 2 m. So between 2 to 3, that means hours will be 2. So m will be 30h into 2 by 11. That means 60 into h by 11. So minute will be what? 60. Up to between 2 to 3 means h will be 2 divided by 11. 120 by 11 will be what? 11 tens are 120, 10, 10 by 11 minute past 2 will be your answer. So is there any option, such option? Yes, option number 10 plus 10 by 11. That means option number B will be your easier. Let's see the next question now. Question number 10 is here on the screen. What are they saying in this question number 10? A man goes from a place A to B at a speed of 12 km per hour and returns from B to A at a speed of 18 km per hour. Distance is the same. At that time, what we use the formula, average speed will be equals to 2AB divided by A plus B, where A and B are the different speeds. So here speeds are 12 and 18. 12 into 18 divided by 12 plus 18. So what will it be? 2 into 12 into 18 divided by 30. 6 5s are 6 3s are. Then how much it will be? 3 2s are 6. 12 6 are 72 divided by 5. 5 will be what? 14. 2 by 5 will be your answer. As per the option, it will be 14 2 by 5 will be. That's it. Easier. Now let's go for the next question. Question number 11, which is of the series question. Easier one. They have given you one series 345, 358, 375, question mark 417 and 446. So if you observe, first thing you can see there is nothing like a square, kuch nahi dikh raha. So we will find out for the difference. What is this difference? 45, 55 means this difference is the 30. This one will be what? 58, 68, 78 means 17. Now this one I don't know, but this difference is what? 17 to 47, 30 minus 1 is 20. So if you observe this difference, isn't it look like a prime number? If 13 is a prime number, next is the 17. Next prime number must be 19. So if you add 375 plus 19, it will be equals to what? 394. So your answer must be equals to 394. You can cross check because next prime number was a 23. 394 plus 23 is a 417. So your answer will be option number D, 394. Easier. Let's go for the next one now. Question number 12 is here. A bag contains 72 balls, out of which green balls are 28, orange balls are X, and remaining balls are pink. Okay, 72 are there, in which there are green, orange, and pink. Well, how many balls are there? 28 balls are the greens, X ball are the orange. So what will be the number of pink ball? If you subtract 72 minus 28, how much will it be? 12 minus 8, 4. 6 minus 4, 44. So this one plus this one will be what? Orange plus pink will be 44. Out of which pink is the X, orange is the X. So pink will be 44 minus X. This is the number of balls. Then what are they saying here? If two balls are randomly picked up from the bag, then probability of getting green ball and orange ball is a 56 by 12. Green and orange. So what will be the probability for green? As I know that 28C1 into orange will be HC1 divided by total balls are 72C2, which will be equal to 56 upon 213. So let's solve it. 28C1 will be 28. XC1 will be X divided by 72 into 71 divided by 2 into 1, which is equal to 56 by 21. So if you solve it, as I know that this one will be 2 times, this one is a 3 times, this 2 will goes to here 2x divided by 71, sorry, this one not, 71 3s are 213, right? Divided by 72, which is equal to 2 by 3. So 2 will get cancelled, 3 into 18s are. So x will be equals to what? Sorry, 3 into 24s are. Sorry. 3 into 24s are. So x will be equals to what? 24. X is a 24. That means number of orange ball is equal to 24. So what they have asked you here in the question? They are saying that find out the pink ball. So pink ball will be equals to what? 44 minus 24, which will be equals to 20 will be your answer. Because pink balls are 44 minus 6. Answer will be option number. So easier, only this calculation was calculated, otherwise everything is easier. Let's go for the question number 13. Mostly remember, you can expect questions from the permutation, combination and probability because the weightage of modern maths has been increased in a TISSNET paper. So we can expect more questions. Find the probability of selecting 2 red honor cards from a pack of 52 cards. 2 red honors. Total honors cards are how much? There are 4, 4, 4, 4, 16, in which red are 8. So they are asking you out of total 52, what is the probability of the red honor? So it will be 8C2 divided by 52C2. That means 8 into 7 divided by 52 into 51 because this 2 will get cancelled. So 4 2s are 8, 4 into 13s are 7 2s are 14, 13 1s are 30, carries a 1, 65 plus 1 is a 66. So your answer will be equals to 14 by 663. That is option number C will be your answer. Easier. Let's find out the next one now. Let's find out the answer of next question, which is of the logarithm. What are they saying in this one? If log x minus 5 is equal to log x minus log 5 and log y minus 6 is equal to log y minus log 6, then which of the following is a correct? Now there is a relation between x and y is given. Okay, so let's find out for the x first. Log of x minus 5 is equal to log x minus log 5. Now log a minus log b I can write down as a log a by b. So log of x minus 5 is equal to log of x by 5. So log will get cancelled. You can say that x minus 5 is equal to x by 5. This will get subtracted. X minus x by 5 is equal to 5. 5 minus x, 4x minus 5, 4x by 5 is equal to 5. So you can say that x will be 5 5s are 25 by 4. Or you can say that it will be 4 6 are 24, 6.25. Value of x is a 6.25. Now let's find out for the y. Similarly, what are they saying here? Log of y minus 6 is equal to log y minus log 6. So similarly, it will be equal to log of y minus 6 will be equal to log of y by 6. Log will get cancelled. Y minus 6 is equal to y by 6. Y minus y by 6 is equal to 6. So it will be 5y by 6 is equal to 6. That means y will be equal to 36 by 5, which will be equal to 5 7s are 2s are. Y's value is a 7.2 and x is a 6.25. So obviously what will be the relation? X is a less than y. So your answer will be x is a less than y. That is your option number B will be the answer. Easier. Now let's solve the next question. Question number 15 is here. What are they saying in this question number 15? A sphere of radius r has the same volume as that of cone with circular base of radius r. So volume of sphere is equal to volume of cone. So what will it be? 4 by 3 pi r cube, which is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h, where r is the thing. So what is the relation between h and r, height of the cone? So what will happen here? 3 will get cancelled, pi will get cancelled, r square and this cube will get cancelled. So r will be out of this 3 times, 2 times r will get cancelled. So h will be 4 times of the r. That's it. Conceptual question. Easier. Now let's solve the next one. Question number 16. What are they saying here? Find the cardinal number. Cardinal number means what? Number of, in that state, how many number of numbers are there? Cardinal number of the following state. X is a natural number less than 30 and it should be divisible by 7 or 11. So how many numbers are there? That state will be equals to what? Multiple of 7 will be 7, 14, 21, 28 because I need a less than 30. And for the 11, it will be 11 and 22. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So your answer will be cardinal number is a 6. That's it. Easier. Now go for the next one. Question number 17 is here. Let's try to solve. The angle of elevation of a tower from a distance of 100 meters from a foot is a 30. From this foot At a 100 meter, what I know that angle of elevation is a 30 degree. So what is the height of the tower? Suppose this height A, B. So I have to find out the height. Now I know that this is the 30 value. Height will be opposite side. This one is the adjacent side. So I will use the tan 30, which is equals to 1 by root 3, which is equals to AB by BC. That means opposite by adjacent, which is equal to H upon 100. So 1 by root 3 is equal to H upon 100. So you can say that H will be equals to what? 100 upon root 3. This was your answer. That's it. Option number D will be the answer. Easier. Now let's solve the next one. Question number 18 is here, which is from the APGP arithmetic progression. What are they saying in this question? The sum of third and ninth term of AP is a 8. Find the sum of first 11 terms of the progression. Third and ninth term. What will be the third term? A3 will be equals to A plus 2D. Ninth term will be A plus 8D. And they are saying that this sum is equals to what? 8. So you can write down as A plus 2D plus A plus 8D. That means AA, 2A plus 10D, which is equals to 8 is given. Is it? Then they are saying that what is the sum of first 11 numbers of that progression. So what will be the S11? S10 will be equal to n by 2. That means 11 by 2. In bracket first term plus last term. First term will be A and last term means what? 11th term will be A plus 10D. So how much will it become? 11 by 2 upon A plus A, 2A plus 10D. Where value of 2A plus 10D is 8. That means 11 by 2 into 8. 2 ones are 2 fours are 11 fours are will be. So your answer will be equals to option numbers A, 44 is the answer. Easier. Now let's go for the next question, second last question of this test of this state. This is your question of calendar. What are they saying in this one? It was Sunday on 1st Jan 2006. What was the day of the week on 1st Jan 2010? On the Jan means they are asking about the on a week of first. That means first day. So as I know that 1st Jan 2006 is a Sunday. So what will be the 1st Jan 2010? Now what I know that from 2006 to 2010. What is there? There is in between 2007, 2008, 2009 and this one is a 2010. How many leap year, how many odd days will be there? From 2006 to 7, there is an ordinary year. So 1 odd day. 2008, leap year. 2 odd days. 1 odd day, 1 odd day. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5 odd days. So you will add Sunday plus 5. Sunday plus 5 will be what? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So your answer will be equals to what? Friday is your answer. So on the day of week of Jan 2010, it will be Friday. Option number C will be your answer. Easier. And now let's solve the last question of this same. Before solving the last question, if you are like the video, then don't forget to like it and also you have to share with your friends whoever are prepared. So let's solve the last one now. The traffic light at 3 different road crossing change after every 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 108 seconds respectively. If they all change simultaneously at 8:20 hours, and then at what time will they again change simultaneously? So for this one, what we do, we find out the LCM. So what will be the LCM of 48, 72 and 108? All are divisible by 12. 12 4s are, 12 6s are, 12 9s are. If I again divide by 2, 2 2s are, 3s are, 9s are. If I again by 3, 2 as it is, 1s are, 9s are. Again 2 and 3. So what will be the LCM here? LCM will be equals to what? 12 into 3 to the 6, 3 to the 6. 12 6 are 72. 72 into 6 will be 6 to the 12 carries a 1. 42 plus 1 will be 432. But this one is in the seconds. So what will be the time? First, let's find out 432 seconds means how much in terms of the minute and second. So you will divide by the 60 because 60 seconds is a 1 minute. 67s are 420. Remainder will be 12. That means after 7 minutes, 12 seconds, they will change simultaneously. Initially, they had changed at the 8:20:00 plus 7:12. That means they will again change simultaneously at 8:17:12. So your answer will be equals to 8:17:12. That means your option number A was your. That's it. And this was your last question of this video. I hope you have understood it and you have enjoyed this video. If you like it, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel. And again, see you again in the next part, part number 6. And if you haven't watched the first 4 parts, then please go and please must watch, as all questions are important as a TISSNET point of view. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care and stay safe.